Now the last example from the practice set 3.2 is in figure the circles with center A and B touch each other at point E. Here that point E, the common point comes here. Okay, line L is a common tangent. This line L is the common tangent to the both the circles at point C and D respectively. Then we have to find the length of segment CD if the radii of the two circles are 4 centimeter and 6 centimeter. ठीक है, तो ये हिसाब से एक एग्जांपल अपने को गिवन है कि दो सर्कल जो है वो एक्सटर्नली टच कर रहे हैं, उनकी कॉमन टेंजेंट दिया है एट पॉइंट सी एंड डी एंड बोथ सर्कल्स टचिंग एट पॉइंट ई. द रेडियस ऑफ टू सर्कल्स is 4 centimeter and 6 centimeter. We have to find the length of segment CD. तो CD का लेंथ हमको क्या करना है, फाइंड करना है. ठीक है, तो इसका सॉल्यूशन देखो कैसे रहेगा. Now this L is the common tangent and this AC is the radius through point of contact. So by tangent theorem, angle ACD is equal to 90 degree. Similarly here angle BDC is also 90 degree by tangent theorem. Okay, now we make here one construction. Join AB first, join AB. Okay, and next one is draw a perpendicular AM to the radius BD, to the radius BD. Therefore in quadrilateral AMDC this angle is 90 degree, this is 90 degree. Okay, this is right angle, this is also right angle by construction. Okay, so what will be the measure of this fourth angle? It is also a right angle. And the definition of rectangle, we know in a quadrilateral if each angle in that quadrilateral is a right angle, then that quadrilateral is a rectangle. Okay, so this is a rectangle and the property of rectangle is their opposite sides are congruent. Opposite sides are congruent. So here AC is 4, so this MD will be 4. Then what will be the BM? It will be 2. It will be 2. And now since the two circles touching externally, therefore distance between their centers is equal to sum of the radii. Now this radius is 4, this radius is 6. So total AB will be 6 plus 4, that is 10. Right? यहाँ तक आ गया. अब उसके बाद में in right angle triangle ABM, in this right angle triangle, hypotenuse is known because this is the right angle and opposite side of this right angle is hypotenuse, right? So hypotenuse length is known, this height is known, we have to find this base. By Pythagoras theorem we can find. अगर ये लेंथ अपने को मिल गई AM, तो लेंथ ऑफ AM इज इक्वल टू लेंथ ऑफ CD, अपोजिट साइड्स ऑफ रेक्टेंगल, है ना. और वो हिसाब से हम लोग क्या करेंगे, उसको CD की लेंथ फाइंड करेंगे. तो ऐसे जो बड़े जो एग्जांपल्स रहते हैं, जैसा मैंने अभी तुमको ओरली बताया, वैसे तुमको भी क्या करना है, उसकी प्रैक्टिस करना है. ओके, वैसे अगर प्रैक्टिस करेंगे तो तुम सॉल्यूशन उसको प्रेजेंट कर सकते हैं. एक आध स्टेप आगे पीछे चल जाएगा, ठीक है ना, लेकिन उसका सॉल्यूशन ऐसा अगर प्रिपेयर करेंगे तो तुमको अच्छी तरह से वो याद रहेगा. ओके, सो वी स्टार्ट सॉल्यूशन. A dash E dash B, A dash E dash B by touching circles, by theorem of touching circles, by theorem of touching circles. If two circles are touching, then the point of contact lies on the segment touching circles. What is that theorem of touching circles? If two circles are touching circles, then their point of contact lies on the segment joining their centers. Okay, and therefore A, E, B, these 3 points will be collinear points. Okay, and therefore we can write it as AC is equal to AE is equal to 4 centimeter. AC is equal to AE is equal to 4 centimeter, and second BE is equal to BD is equal to 6 centimeter. The reason for this is a radii of same circle. Radii of same circle. Radii of same circle. Okay, and therefore angle ACD is equal to angle BDC is equal to 90 degree, and reason for that is tangent theorem. Tangent theorem. So this is equation number 1. Okay, now in quadrilateral now draw segment AM perpendicular to segment BD. Okay, draw segment AM perpendicular to segment BD. Therefore, angle AMD, or we write here it as, this is equation number 2, and therefore in quadrilateral AMDC, okay, in this quadrilateral angle AMD plus angle MDC plus angle CDM, MDC plus DCA or ACD plus angle CAM is equal to 360 degree, because the sum of all the angles of the quadrilateral is 360 degree by the property of quadrilateral. You can write here. Okay, now angle AMD is equal to, it is 90 degree. This is by construction. From equation 2 you can write angle MDC here, angle BDC is equal to 90 degree. So BDC you can write as MDC also, because those 3 points are collinear points. Okay, so you will get it is also 90 degree plus this is also 90 degree, because ACD is nothing but 90 degree plus angle CAM is equal to 360 degree. Here the reason is, since from 1 and 2, 90 plus 90 plus 90, it is 270 degree plus angle CAM is equal to 360 degree, and therefore angle CAM is equal to 360 degree minus 270 degree, that is equal to again 90 degree. So that angle is also 90 degree. Okay, and therefore quadrilateral AMDC is a rectangle, because each angle in that quadrilateral is 90 degree, and therefore it is a rectangle. And if it is rectangle, then their opposite sides are congruent, and therefore we write DM is equal to AC is equal to 4 centimeter. Opposite sides of a rectangle, opposite sides of rectangle are congruent, है ना? And therefore DM is equal to AC is equal to, but what is BD? BD is equal to BM plus MD or DM. Okay, but BD is given, it is 6. BM we have to find, plus here we write the reason, since B dash M dash D. Okay, and MD that is DM is 4. So 6 minus 4 is equal to BM, and therefore BM is equal to 6 minus 4, that is 2 centimeter. So this is the value for BM. Okay, now AB is equal to, since A dash E dash B, therefore AB is equal to AE plus BE, that is equal to 4 plus 6, that is equal to 10. So this is the value for AB, 10 centimeter. Okay, and therefore in triangle ABM angle AMB is equal to 90 degree. Therefore AB square is equal to BM square plus AM square. है ना? Reason is by Pythagoras theorem, because it is right angle triangle, right? And in right angle triangle we can apply Pythagoras theorem. Okay, just substitute the values. AB, that is 10 square, is equal to BM, that is 2 square, plus AM we have to find AM square. So this is the 100. Now 2 square is 4. On left hand side it will be minus 4 is equal to AM square, and therefore AM square is equal to 96. And to remove this square, taking square root on both sides, you will get AM is equal to square root of 96, taking square root taking square root. Taking square root. And now 96 is not a perfect square. Right? So we have to find the factors for 96 so that one factor should be a perfect square. So that number will be 16. Yes, 16 6 16 6 96. In that 16 is a perfect square number. So square root of 16 is 4 square root of 6. So this is the required value for AM centimeter. Okay, but or we can write here therefore CD is equal to, or since CD is equal to AM, CD is equal to AM. Reason is opposite sides of rectangle. Opposite sides of rectangle. This is the reason, opposite sides of rectangle, and therefore CD is equal to 4 root 6 centimeter. Okay, so in this way we have to solve this example. Yes, any doubt in this? No? Good.